Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see a admission notification. So it is from Central University of Andhra. So here comes the courses are BSc Hans, so then BA Hans, and then MA in Telugu, MA in English Language and Literature, Bachelor of Vocational in Tourism and Travel Management, Bachelor of Vocation in Retail Management, IT. So you can see that the minimum qualification for the UG courses, which is 12th standard with science, arts, and commerce with mathematics, and then you can see that for the masters there is minimum of bachelor degree, and it is with a 50 percentage of the mark. So here comes you can see that there are three four category of admission in the bachelor of vocation. So those who have studied in 12th standard in a different stream, so it is for them. You can see that the examination will be 100 multiple choice questions, which is with arithmetic ability, quantitative aptitude, and then data interpretation, general knowledge, logic, reasoning, and verbal ability, verbal reasoning, English grammar, and computer fundamentals. So if you would like to join into Central University of Andhra, you can apply through CUSET. I will give the application link in the description box. If you would like to get more updates on admission notifications, please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel. Thank you.